Hello, dear friends and viewers. Assalamu alaikum. It's Mirjat Song before you. How are you doing today, all dear friends? I hope all are feeling great and having an amazing day. I'm back once again here with another video. So today in this video, I'm going to be talking about actually practicing. Okay, so why we should practice every single day. You know, there are lots of people who want to learn English, but they don't practice every single day, and that is why, and they may not be fluent speaker. And yeah, so if you want to be a good speaker, we have to practice every single day. And there's no other way to learn English to be fluent speaker. Okay, and actually you can ask me, hey bro, why you make video? What is the reason behind it? And just you try to speak English in front of camera, and just after making video, just you upload on YouTube. So what is the actual reason? You know, actually I have two types of reason, and because first of all, I want to be a good speaker. That's why every single day I try to make video. And second, you know, I have a YouTube channel and also I have Facebook page, and that's why I have to make video that's for those kind of social media. This is very most important actually in my present time because of, you know, I'm trying to grow my this kind of social media, so that's why I have to make video every single day. So, and from this video you can learn something and you can motivate from my video, because if you don't make video, you can't be a fluent speaker and you won't be able to be a speaker in your future. Okay, and I have noticed one thing from the people who are beginners. Okay, and they feel hesitation when they try to speak English. Okay, so I want to say something to those people who are beginners and who are trying to learn English, but they can't for many reasons. Like they feel hesitation when they try to speak English in front of people or with someone. Okay, so and just I hope that you take this video as a practicing video, and I'm practicing English right now here, and I'm trying to capture my voice. And I try to see and what kind of quality just I can speak English. Okay, and I mean of my voice. Okay, and I don't worry about my mistake, because if I worry about my mistakes, like I can't learn English. Okay, I can't be a fluent speaker in my future. Okay, so that is why actually I should remove my hesitation and try to speak English in front of camera, and making videos very difficult. Okay. So dear friends, it's my another practicing video, so please don't judge me that, hey bro, so this is actually useless. Okay, it's useless video, so there's nothing to learn. But I hope that you can learn something, you can get some motivation from my video. Okay, because of, you know, when you see someone speaking English in front of you, or you get some videos every single time on social media, and just you can feel jealous to learn English. Okay, and you have to be like that, otherwise you can't do it, you can't learn English. Okay, so সম্মানিত বন্ধুরা, আসলে আপনার এই ভিডিও থেকে কিছু মোটিভেশন পেতে পারেন, বিকজ অফ যখন আপনি কারো ভিডিও দেখবেন তখন আপনার মধ্যে একটি কাজ করবে যে না, আমিও ইংরেজি শিখবো। সো দ্যাট ইজ আমি সবসময় বলি যে আপনারা কারো ভিডিও যখন দেখবেন তখন তাকে আসলে শোনার চেষ্টা করবেন যে কি বলছে, এবং যখন কেউ ভালো ইংরেজি বলে আপনার সামনে, জেলাস ফিল হয়, এটা হওয়া ভালো, তবে খারাপটা হওয়া ভালো না। কারণ যখন আপনি শেখার উদ্দেশ্যে জেলাস ফিল করবেন তখন এটা ভালো, বাট যখন ক্ষতি করার জেলাস ফিল করবেন তখন এটা ভালো না। ওকে, সো dear friends, I have tried to say something about practicing and why we should make video, and also by making video we should practice English. Okay, and I hope you got it. Okay, so no more today, and see you some other time. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you later. Allah Hafiz.